This is an introduction on how to sketch an egg shape using SolidWorks. Start by opening a sketch plane. I'm using the front plane to start. Now you will need to use the line tool. The egg will be 2.4 inch tall. Grab the smart dimension and set that to 2.4 inches. This is just my scale demonstration. You can use any size you wish here. Now we need a reference line for the center point. Again, this is just a reference point. Remember, we are only drawing half the egg here, so the total width cut in half would be this number. Okay, now we have to make the shape of the egg using the spline feature. We can right-click and hold to drag the points. The more points, the more you can sculpt the shape. This is not perfect, but I hope you get to point here. The spline points want to auto-lock on lines. Zoom in to help prevent that issue. The spline line auto-locked on our reference point. We don't need that reference line any longer, so you can remove it by cutting it out completely now. Great, now that we have our desired shape, let's go ahead and revolve this object. Head up to Features and select Revolve Boss Base. Select your axis, point. Hit the check mark and there you have your egg shape. I really hope this tutorial helped you with learning how to make shapes using Revolve Boss Base. If you liked this video, please hit that like button, share it with friends, and subscribe to watch more detailed videos. My email is in my bio. Feel free to email me as you have any questions.